Dan Willis here, and we're talking about does credit repair work? And we're exposing two facts to repair your credit. So the first one is the 7-year myth. You'll hear people say you just have to live with bad credit for 7 long, expensive, and embarrassing years. Baloney! 7 years, yes, that's the maximum amount of time that you have to live with bad credit. Bankruptcy is 10 years, but everything else, that's the maximum. But there is no minimum amount of time that any item must remain on your credit report. Now, the other part of this is you'll hear people talking about how it's illegal to remove so-called accurate bad credit from your credit report before the 7 years. Listen, law, the Fair Credit Reporting Act, that law, that legislation, that was passed to give you the right and the ability to remove inaccurate items, questionable listings, because that negative information, that's what's damaging and dragging down the vast majority of consumer credit scores. Furthermore, this is simply exercising your right when you challenge and dispute an item on your credit report. At no point in time will you ever have to lose sleep worrying about a credit bureau SWAT team coming after you because you disputed an accurate item on your credit report. That's all the laws are there for you and to help you, the consumer. Now, this second part is accurate credit reporting. Now, many people falsely believe the credit bureaus are government agencies, or they give a flip about you, me, or the average Joe consumer. The credit bureau is a $4 billion a year industry, of which 2 of those companies you can buy stock in today. They earn the bulk of their money simply by collecting information about you, me, and Joe, and then selling it to our potential lenders and our creditors. Only in recent years have they even offered consumer products. And according to an FTC study, the Federal Trade Commission, one more of our watchdog guys, 1 in 5 Americans contains an error on their credit report. Further, 1 in 10 Americans contains an error that is serious enough to be causing them bad credit and have a bad credit score. So that's millions of dollars all wasted just because of somebody else's mistake. Moreover, the embarrassment. And to wrap this all up here, the debt collection industry is no better. They are consistently fined by the FTC every single year. They've even sued the wrong consumers like you or me, but sued the wrong person and won the lawsuit. Yes, they won. Our consumer rights, it is much like David going up against Goliath in the ancient biblical story. This is Dan Willis. We're going to include a link in the description below over to an article for the full scoop. And coming up next, we're going to be talking about exactly how does credit repair work. So subscribe and join our congregation. You can also visit our website and grab a free report, the 7 proven ways to boost your credit score. Please have a fantastic day and looking forward to talking to you again here soon.